Hi, I'm Dar with the Yeastar Technology Report, and today we're going to have a look at a Yeastar TA400 gateway, FXO gateway. Hi, I'm Dar with the Yeastar Technology Report. The product we're looking at today is the TA400 Analog gateway from Yeastar. Now, this is a great product, really well priced, easy to configure, and we've been deploying them, no issues whatsoever. The configuration is, well, you need to go through the instructions for that, and we will do that in a separate video. So let's hop in and see what's in the box. But before we do, we have this device on our online store at www.buyphonesonline.ca, and there is a coupon at the end of the video, so keep your eye open for that. Also, for our YouTube channel, you can find us on YouTube at youtube.com/Yeastar Canada, and subscribe. We've got lots of great options and training and things like that. So without further ado, let's see what's inside the box. So we're going to do this a little bit simpler than some of our previous videos. They've really done a good job of packing this. This is our Yeastar manual. They also have a nice little card here that's the warranty card. It talks about the warranty period, which is for the gateway, 2 years. For the TA400, the TA100 and 200 is only a 1-year warranty. There's our quick access guide with mounting ports and some instructions. It does come with a stand that you can mount or set the TA400 in. This is our power supply. The power supply is 12 volt, 1 amp. Now they come with this flat cable as well. This is the cable I've seen in all of the Yeastar products. It's unusual in that it isn't actually a twisted pair. It's flat, but it works, and I like to keep it in my computer bag because it is smaller than carrying a Cat 5 cable along. Now here is the TA400. So on the side here, it has a power light, a running light that blinks for normal operation, a network light, and an internet light, and then you have ports. Lights here from 1 all the way through 8. So this is a 4-port ATA. Only ports 1 through 4 are going to illuminate. Now on the back, of course, we have a power supply. We have the local area network and the 4 ports these are FXS ports on this one. So they allow cordless phones, or you can plug an analog phone system. Now, some of the nice things about the TA400 over and above the TA100 and 200 is this allows for more trunking options. So you can actually program rollover lines on here for use with a phone system. So what that means is when you've programmed line 1, if line 1 is busy, then the TA400 will move that call on to line 2 and then line 3 and line 4. So that's some great functionality here. Also, with the TA200, which is a 2-port ATA, you have to put a separate account on each one of the ports. Not on this one. This is a trunk mode, which means that you can put a single account, SIP account on here, and then all 4 of these trunks can share that. So it makes it a lot easier for a header or a multi-line type installation. So I'm Dar with the Yeastar Technology Report. Check out our YouTube channel, youtube.com/Yeastar Canada, and look for a coupon at our online store, buyphonesonline.ca. Also, check out our video on how to configure this device. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.